Hello, everyone. It's Adam for Corporate Geek Tech, and I wanted to bring you a little bit of last week's Simply Your Device Wednesday night live stream where I unboxed. That's not entirely right. Hold on, let me fix that for you. I didn't unbox, I unbagged the Tudia Merge case for my new LG ThinQ. Ooh, look at that case there. All nice and purty. And it's nice slate gray, metallic gray. Yeah. This is the segment from last week's show where I took it out of the bag. See, unbagged it. See, they're in bags. I got another one too. Ooh, nice and green. I like green. I unbagged this one last week, and now I've lived with it for a whole week. Come tomorrow night, June 20th, or tonight, depending on when you're seeing this, I am going to be doing my full review on it after living with it for a whole week. Hint, I can give you a hint now. I do like it. It's pretty cool. Look, my phone still works. So that's the first clue that it's a functional case. Tomorrow night on my brother's live stream, I'll be going through the full review of it, and you can find links below if you wanted to order it. You'll find links below also to last week's full show, and hopefully I've made some pop up in the little eye in one of the corners. That corner over there, maybe that corner. I'm never gonna remember which corner these things pop up in because it's just too confusing for me. Anyway, here's a couple minutes of last week's show. Enjoy. All right.
So it's Adam's part of the show. As always, I like to try and leave him with something. So.
Yeah, a little something. So I got nowhere good to stand with this thing. All right. So I had a fun experience. Since I got the G7 ThinQ, I threw out there. I was like, hey. What kind of case should I get for this? And I put out a couple different choices, and several different people, mainly this guy over here, said you should reach out to companies, and be like, hey, send me some sample stuff so I can review them for you. And I'm like, I got like 30, 25, 6 subscribers. No one's gonna send me nothing. Well, you know what? Tudia comes through,
Bam!
Look at that.
Bam! You need like a sound effect. Ba-boom! Ba-boom!
Okay. Yes, Tudia cases, everyone. They got Evan from Tudia got right back to me. He's a good guy. Oh, I just remembered I forgot to send him out this live link for tonight. Darn it. Maybe he could have been here.
Replay.
Yeah, no, yeah, I'll definitely send it out to him. So I got these two cool cases sent for the LG G7 ThinQ that I got. So I got the cool mint one and the also cool slate gray one. Tonight I'm gonna open up one of these.
Tudia rules according to George, and yes, they've been quite nice. I've been seeing a lot of people getting their goods to review.
Yeah,
which is cool.
Yeah, so it's very cool. So I just hope that their cases are good because I'm gonna feel real bad if they sent me stuff and I end up not liking it. So I think I'm going because I do like the greenish color because that's my iPhone case. Wow, that color looks a lot different there.
Yeah, it does.
Got to do some color correction.
Yeah, okay.
But I am a fan of the mint color that they sent, but I think I'm going to start with the slate. So kind of like
hold your mic for you.
No, I'm just going to put it in here, and
okay.
you talk a little bit while
okay.
I'm doing stuff there. But thank you.
So yeah, my whole thing with I'm going to bounce back to Apple while you're doing that.
Yeah, that's cool.
Is I've been wanting to understand the true sense. Go for it, bro. Whoa! What are you doing?
I'm cutting across the top there.
I thought you ripped it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you reseal.
Oh.
Okay.
I thought I saw someone put one of these on, and
they had to cut the thing,
and they ripped it.
Oh,
they cut it. Sorry.
Well, that's okay. You're a first timer. You know what I mean? There's always a first time for this.
I am.
Ooh. Okay, go so in the camera.
Look who's talking.
What's that? Keep it in the camera, yeah.
In the camera.
Oh, look! It's not honeycomb, Adam.
It's not honeycomb, but it's like they came with a little insert for G. Hello. All right, here we go, people.
Go ahead.
Let's see how. Look, I didn't even read anything. Let's see how this goes. Look at that.
And tell me, Adam, how's the grip feel? How's it feel in the hand right now?
That was super easy to go in. To grab. Oh, it feels bigger.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me see.
But no,
I should have reached out to Tudia and see if they had one of these merges for my iPhone. Maybe I should.
Nice. Let's see how the unlocking goes. Oh, nice and smooth, nice and smooth. I do have another case that I got for my phone because I was afraid to drop it, kind of like he was with the iPhone, even though like that was mine. And I feel like that case actually did inhibit the fingerprint a little bit, and this one definitely is not. So there's a positive sign, and I'm pretty sure I did add in the links for these just in case you were interested. First 2D case there looks good. All the holes seem to be lining up. Let's see, make sure I can volume up and volume down. Oh, hold on, let me take off my private messages there. Oh, that's right, I'm on silent. That's why it's not happening. Boop. Zoop. And now I love making me weird noises as I do stuff.
Shoop.
Zoop and voop. Yeah, no, that works. That works. That seemed to have worked, but I don't want to do that. How do I make that go away? All right, I guess I slide it down. And last one, yes, all right, all the buttons work. The things work. Looks like we got a most winner so far. So there we go, 2D case. Hopefully next week, maybe this weekend, I'll get a review out. Now I was anxious to do this tonight for the live stream because I knew I wouldn't be able to set up and do like a formal unboxing of it in any other way. But now I can go and lift this little part out. Apologize to all my viewers for the weirdness. Well, like I said in the video there, sorry we get very weird on the live stream from time to time. But tune in this week on the 20th, Wednesday night, and you'll see my full review of the Tudia Merge case.